Hi everyone, I'm Julia and today I'm going to show you how to make the lips fuller with the help of the makeup. First of all, I should prep the skin of my lips. I apply the pharmacy cream, Trollmail or Zelte. It's usually used for the places so no legs when we fall down, but it's so good for the lips. It works very quickly and it works so great. I put it on, I wait for some minute and then I take it all off and use the lip scrub. I scrub my lips properly and then I take it all off the rest of the scrub. I use the disposable towels for these things. So then I take the lip pencil, the long-lasting lip pencil. The shade of this pencil should be close to the shade of our lips, not too dark, not too light. Then I draw the line a little bit more than my natural lip shape. It will be only the first step, and it's very important to gift 1 millimeter to our lips in this way. And then I'll show you some other steps how I'll do. It's very important to blend it properly so we don't have to get some straight lines on our lips. First of all, I do the upper lip and then I do the lower lip. When I draw the line on my lower lip from the lip corners to the lip center, I don't do it too round. I try to do it more straight. So I try to do the heart shape lips. It will look more natural and more beautiful. Of course, in my opinion, it's so everything individual. And of course I have to blend it. I use the MAC O Honey long-lasting lip pencil. So it's very important to use the long-lasting product because our lips will be away. I don't want it. Then I use the lipstick. It's MAC Nicki Minaj A47, very beautiful shade. The shade of the lipstick should be a little bit lighter than the shade of the lip pencil. Then I fill in with the help of the lip brush all of the space. Then we can see how our lips become fuller. But that's not the last step. I'll show some other secrets. And again, it's very important to blend this lipstick. It's a little bit moisturizing so our lips don't dry out during the day. And I add this shade a little bit on my cheeks so the makeup will look a little bit more common. Then I use lip pencil. The shade should be a little bit darker and I draw the line between the line I've done before and between my natural lip contour. It was very important. I draw 4 lines in my upper lip and I draw 3 lines in the lower lip. So our natural lines that we usually can see when our lips are full. Then we draw it and blend. So the shade of this pencil, I remember, should be a little bit darker but not too dark, and it's so important to blend it so well so we'll get the natural shape, the natural volume of our lips, because we know when we use a darker shade we make it smaller, when we use the lighter shade we make it bigger. So we use these secrets to make our lips fuller, and I use a little bit of the powder to last this makeup of my lips a little bit longer. And one more secret. Also, we can use the concealer that is a little bit lighter. I applied underneath the lower lip corners, so we a little bit make this space more. We add a little bit of volume to our lips, and we use the same method on our upper lip. So we add a little bit light shade of our concealer above upper lip, on the space between the lip and between the nose. It's so tiny secrets, but they make our lips fuller a lot. We can see that on this video. And of course, I want to make the same video on the model of with the lips of the other shape, so we can see the results. And I add a little bit of concealer in the center of my upper lip. If you want our lips to last longer, we should use more long-lasting products. For instance, some liquid lipsticks with which you use a tiny bit of product. We don't apply it with the help of the applicator, so it will be too much product on our lips. Of course, the best way to make our lips fuller is the lip gloss, but then our lips will last not so long as we would like it to be, but that's beautiful for the pictures, for some small period of time when we want to be with the full beautiful lips. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel. It's so important for me, and see you in next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.